Today we want to talk about reproduction in women. Some certain hormones wey good for the female reproductive system. Now we want to talk about today. If you're interested in the video you watch at the end, you're welcome back to my channel, Susan Herbatives, where we'll give you some medicinal plants and living a healthy lifestyle. Yes, this video now for those women we be say then they try to get belly and maybe some of the hormones for their body, especially if you don't go hospital, they can't tell you say, oh, maybe progesterone, estrogen and prolactin now be your problem. Okay, I won't drop this herb here. Not be say you go don't do all this one, you know go the knack, or you know me and knacking, and you must knack. How you go the find picking, you know go knack. You the knack once in a very long while. If you know knack, you know go fit get belly. Constant knacking is needed when you are trying to get pregnant. Okay, a lot of people they ask me question for my inbox about these things. Now make me say make I do them for video, because to come they attend to individual at times it is stressful for me. So I'll just tell them go and watch that video. I measure them there. Okay, this now the three this thing where I won't drop here: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper. These four combination, like as I always they talk for here, say them get compounds where they activate things in each of them that will make them to work for that particular thing you want it to work for you. This one a hormonal imbalance, and hormonal imbalance now one of the things we be say it make some women or they fit they born. Okay, so this thing where I drop here, so what you go do now just to wash them. Okay, wash them, don't peel them. We are going to use it with the peel. You're going to boil and drink it for 3 weeks. Okay, then you start seeing results. You are going to boil and you start drinking it. You are going to be taking it first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. First thing in the morning and the last thing before you go to bed. And another important one where I want to tell us, make sure say you test, say you they ovulate, because ovulation and another, not be another, now the main key when you're trying to get pregnant, because without ovulation, conception cannot take place. So when you are ovulating, you gotta knack. Knacking should be something of, you get what I mean. No be those women they wait say make oga can call them. Your ovulation day go still pass. No. Talk to oga. Now that we are looking for children, knack every other day. Knack maybe 2-3 days to your ovulation. In case the sperm they slow before it crawl reach there. Una understand me? So you are supposed to knack on and on. Okay, after you don't prepare this herb, you don't do it for that 3 weeks, then you start knacking, and it's good you know your cycle. Some people get very short cycle and some people get very long cycle. Know your cycle so that you know how to count. Then you go feel know when you ovulate. Una know say this now another room, the other room matter. When it comes to Susan Herbatives, we dey talk am as it be. Okay, and I will see you all again on my next one. Bye bye.